Hey, Mike here with Foundation Homes in Marin County, bringing you another listing. This time we are in South Sausalito, 115 South Street, Unit A. We're in a custom one bed, one bath house on the back of the property, built above the main house, separate lawful address. It's approximately 700 square foot, one bed, one bath, single family home. Water and power are metered separately. Everything lives as a single family home. And this was built new and finished in 2019. There's been one tenancy here for the past 13 and a half months. As you can see, the place was built for the view. This entire north-facing wall is just windows, floor to ceiling. So over here we got the bedroom. Closet with an alpha system and overhead lighting. Place to put a television on the wall here if you'd like. No threshold between the deck and the sliders. TV comes with the house, pre-installed by the owner when the place was new. This is the little back door here. There's a little back patio area. Bathroom. Large stand-in shower, big skylight, linen closet, laundry and linens, and then to finish this up, I will show you access to the elevator. So we are up the equivalent of 4 flights of exterior stairs, but the way this was done, with the parking space advertised, there is an elevator that both the owner can use into his house and the tenant can use from the garage up. And the elevator's not called, so I can't show you, but it's like a 3-person elevator. And that's 115A South Street, Sausalito.